Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce to streamline your e-commerce business. Now before we start, I'm gonna notify you again that in order to complete a lot of the tasks in this tutorial, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription in WordPress. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow the instructions I'm gonna say, you'll be able to complete the task and use CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce. Now let's dive into the steps. The first step is to sign up for CJ Dropshipping. Go to cjdropshipping.com and create an account. CJ Dropshipping. Gonna go to the website and create an account. It's this one right here. Now we're gonna wait for the website to appear. Let's click on sign in or register. Now the signing in here is a normal procedure. You can do it very easily. Just enter your account credentials and log in. Now we're gonna move to the second step. And the second step is to install the CJ Dropshipping plugin in WordPress. Now, in WordPress, now before you do that, you have to log into your WordPress account. And to do so, just go to wordpress.com and use your account's credentials to log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, navigate to plugins in the left sidebar here and search for CJ Dropshipping. Here, this one, click on this one right here. Now, as I said before, you're going to have a paid WordPress subscription in order to upgrade and activate a plugin. If you do that, you'll be able to do that successfully. After that, activate the plugin and move to the third step, which is to sync products and orders. Now here, you have to log into the CJ plugin in WordPress and import products from CJ to WooCommerce. Orders from your store will automatically sync for processing. And that's it. If you follow these few steps, you're gonna be able to use CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.